Hi, and welcome to this feature video. My name is Ruben, owner of Conversion Ideas. In this video, we will cover Convert's web and dynamic triggers. Web and dynamic triggers allow precise control over when the A/B test triggers. This helps you get more clean and reliable data, thus more trustworthy test results and better decision making. In this video, we will cover two use cases. The first will be running an experiment below default. When you run an experiment below default, you only want the users in your test data that actually see the element you change. All the other users who do not see the element you change, both in control and your variations, should not be part of your experiment. These users only cause noise in your data, making your test less reliable. The second use case is running a navigation test, which starts only after clicking on the hamburger menu. In Convert, it's really easy to set this up. So let's check it out. Let's say, for the first use case, I want to change the copy of this header. And as you can see, this header is clearly below default. Especially on a mobile device, users have to scroll quite a bit. So visitors that immediately sign up for my newsletter and free guides over here at the top of the page will not see the header we want to change and therefore should not be part of the experiment. I already have the experiment set up in Convert over here. Here we see the changed header. Now let's go to the summary and activate the experiment for users that actually see the header. To do so, edit the location, click New Location and Advanced. Let's first give it a name. There we go. And let's start with the easy part by first selecting the page URL. Let's copy it from here. And there we have it. Next, we have to set the trigger. And we have to set it to DOM element, with the events being in view, meaning that the selector of the element we get over here should be in view, and that's when the experiment triggers. Now, if you can write code, you can manually type the selector over here. But it's much easier using the live select. And this is a really neat feature. So let's test it out. Let's first navigate to the test page. And next, we simply click the element that should be in view and click Continue. So it's that easy. Now only visitors on this page who see this element are part of the experiment. And this applies to both the control and the variant. The second use case works exactly the same. Imagine I want to highlight my Zero Tips newsletter and guides in a navigation over here. Now we only want visitors in the experiment who actually open the navigation. All other visitors who do not open the navigation should not be part of the experiment. So in this case, we would set the events to click. We can delete this selector for now. Again, use the live select. Set it to the mobile view and click the hamburger menu. Now we can set the page URL to contains simply this, because it's site-wide. Now let's change the name. site-wide nav click, click Add Location, click Save Changes, and don't forget to target audiences on a mobile device. So now all visitors on a mobile phone who click the navigation will be part of the experiment. So that's it. Use the web and dynamic triggers to get more clean and reliable data and thus more trustworthy test results.